Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today we got a fun one for you, and you guys know that have been following the channel for a long time. You guys know how much we love hashtag CryptoSwagFriday. So first of all, it is Friday. Second of all, you can see we got our hashtag CryptoSwag on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into hashtag CryptoSwagFriday. As always, guys, in the description down below, we're going to have links to everything, so that way you guys can check out different types of hashtag crypto swag for this hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. If you're over on Twitter, please retweet hashtag Crypto Swag Friday and let us know where we can either get your swag, that's right, the community swag, or your favorite hashtag crypto community swag. So we need to know where we can get it. If you're checking this video out on YouTube, please comment in the description down below where we can get your hashtag crypto swag, as well as your favorite hashtag crypto swag for hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Oh my goodness, I know that's a mouthful, guys, but as always, check out those links below. As first things first, we got this DOGELORD snapback hat on. You guys know how much we love our snapback hats from DOGELORD Apparel. We got the Savage Mine, we got the DCA Adventures, we got the Crypto and Hot Rods, we got the Red Panda Mining, we got all sorts of lids. We might even have our own lids. What? Say what? Keep an eye up. We got a little bit great information to share with you guys here a little bit later on. But this is one piece of our crypto swag here. Want to send a huge thank you, shout out to DOGELORD Apparel, the team over there working with us. We've had so much fun, and some great things have been coming out of that. Also want to send a huge shout out, thank you to Soapy Fresh. What's up, man? Thank you so much. You can see we got some crypto swag right here from Soapy Fresh. Sent over this really sweet coffee mug. Really appreciate it with his logo on there, as well as this shirt. So we'll go ahead and talk with you guys about that here in just a second as well. We'll kind of model that a little bit for you. But if you guys are new to the channel, now's a good time to hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. The reason you want to do that is so you can keep up with all of our other hashtag Crypto Swag Fridays, as well as our Worker Work series, everything to do with the GPU mining farm, all sorts of mining how-tos, all sorts of other shenanigans. Hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. Hit that subscription bell as well. Oh my goodness. So let's see, but we got this Soapy Fresh gear. Thank you for that as well. Really appreciate that. But definitely comment down below. Let us know where we can get your swag or where we can get that favorite swag. Definitely retweet this as well. Let's go ahead and show you guys this. First things first, we'll kind of give you guys a nice little close update on this coffee mug from Soapy Fresh. Dude, this thing is pimp. If you guys have some hashtag crypto swag you want to send us, definitely let us know. Reach out to us. There's a lot of different ways that you can get a hold of us. Next thing I want to show you guys is this shirt right here. What do you guys think about this? Comment down below. Soapy Fresh. Thank you. Can you see this grin on my face? Hashtag crypto swag Friday is here. And you guys need to keep up with all of our hashtag Crypto Swag Fridays, because we're actually going to start doing a giveaway. That's right. Starting with the month of May, which is right around the corner. Next hashtag Crypto Swag Friday, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure you guys follow us, hit that subscription icon, follow us on Twitter so you can keep up with that. Dude, check this out. Also, I want to say, you guys can see that dope DOGELORD Apparel snapback. This is one you see in all our videos. You guys will see us wearing all sorts of our favorite hashtag crypto swag. And what I mean by that is, you'll see it in our Worker Work series. You'll see it in our farm mining updates. You'll see it in every video that you do. We're supporting the community all the time. So now's where I really want to just kind of take it to, us. Huge thank you to DOGELORD Apparel, once again for helping us out. You guys know we love the DOGELORD Apparel swag, all sorts of fun stuff. In the description down below, you're going to be able to check out DOGELORD Apparel. But something here that I don't know if a lot of you guys know yet, we haven't mentioned it in hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. If you scroll down, see collections. That's right, you guys, the Not Your Normal Miner collection is in. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so great. Once again, thank you to DOGELORD Apparel for all of your help with all of this. So you guys can see here on hashtag Crypto Swag Friday, we've actually got our own hashtag crypto swag for you guys. One of our first designs you can see here is the MILF. Man, I love farming. all sorts of different colors with that you can pick up. You can also get your Not Your Normal Miner short sleeve t-shirt. Like, guys, I'm just grinning from ear to ear. I cannot believe this. I am having so much fun with this stuff. But if you want mining apparel, make sure you check out the link down below to DOGELORD apparel. You'll also have the link to the Not Your Normal Miner collection, so you guys can get that MILF mug. That's right, guys, that MILF mug. Keep an eye out over there on DOGELORD apparel as well, because we will have some other things as well, some other releases. We're not just a one-trick pony. We are not one and done. We will bring it to you all night long, going strong. Huge thank you to you guys, the community, though. You guys are great. Thanks for having us in your home. You guys know how much fun we have with this. Thank you to DOGELORD apparel. Thank you to Soapy Fresh. You guys know hashtag CryptoSwagFriday. Please retweet that. Please comment down below. Let us know where we can get your gear. Let us know what you think about that Soapy Fresh gear, or the sick DOGELORD apparel hat, or if you're going to pick up any of that Not Your Normal Miner swag, guys. Holy cow, man. I'm just like, you guys see this? I never thought my shirt would be, or my face would be on a shirt, on a hat. I can't wait. I've already got the MILF shirt and the logo shirt ordered. Getting ready to get some hats ordered for my kids. They love seeing their dad on things. So just having a lot of fun. Thank you to you guys, the community, for having us out here. Huge thank you to the DCA Adventure team. Got signed up for the Patreon over there not too long ago. Just those guys do a lot of great help in the community. Huge thank you to DOGELORD apparel, the team over there, for helping us. These guys, there's a lot of different things that you can really learn from the DCA Adventure team. I'm just really glad that I met those guys. So, wrapping things up, guys, this has been hashtag CryptoSwagFriday. Give us a thumbs up, comment down below, that way other people can see it. Hashtag CryptoSwagFriday. It's here, and you want to make sure that you sign up and you're subscribed to the channel, because next week we're going to talk with you guys about that first giveaway. And that's right, we're going to be doing that every week with hashtag CryptoSwagFriday. So, make sure you head over to DOGELORD apparel. Make sure you reach out to Soapy Fresh. Let them know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about that snapback lid. Also, let me know what you think about that Not Your Normal Miner merch. Request some stuff that you want. We'll see about getting it out. We got some other designs in the pipeline. So, my name's Wes, guys. I'm Not Your Normal Miner. Thank you guys for everything. Have a great night.